Hey everybody, this is Sadri, product manager at ProDVX. So today I'm presenting the APPC 10S series, our new Android 10-inch flagship device. We have reinvented our packaging. It is now much smaller, much slimmer, and we removed all plastic from our packaging. So here you will see when you open the product, box for accessories, and then now we have these eggshell-like molds to fit on the product. This is all fiber-based, so this is not plastic. Because the packaging is much smaller and fits really perfectly this model, we can ship almost twice as more than we used to with the R23 series. We estimate that it's about a 40% reduction in the CO2 footprint in transportation. This is the APPC 10S. There is a striking difference compared to our previous model. The bezels are much smaller, and the total volume difference between this product and the R23 is about 24% smaller. So it's still the same ratio of screen, it's just the product itself is slimmer, the bezels are smaller, it's much more immersive, and the customer experience is significantly greater. So what's really cool with our LED ring is that all the LEDs are individually controllable, which means that you could program animations or different colors for all individual LEDs around the product. This, in use cases, could be used for example, visual cues, visual automation from a distance, so the LED is bright, but the fact that you can control it in such a precise way means that you can really create animations, for example, like security countdowns when locking up rooms. So you can do a lot with this. It's customizable, it's easy to use. It's really one of the signature features that we have at ProDVX. The touchscreen is also improved with the direct bonding display, which means that it looks brighter, it feels more vibrant, you can see it from any angle, you can also see it in different lighting environments, and reactivity is amazing. It feels extremely smooth to the touch compared to our previous model. Design-wise, we've also, in the back, changed the way that we do things. So right now, it looks very smooth and seamless. However, you might wonder where the I/O parts are. So what we did is we installed these cable covers with these cable ducts. These cable covers will allow you to basically hide your cables if ever you mount this against the wall, if you're not using any pogo, and will make the device that looks flawless at any angle. So here I removed it, so this is clippable. What here you can see is the I/O ports, which are right under here. So on the far left here we have PoE, on the far right we have the USB-C power. Here you can also see another cable cover. Here it's hiding pogo pin connector, but it's also hiding classic USB port here. This cutout right here is specifically made so that it fits our Wi-Fi and Bluetooth dongle. In case you want to have Wi-Fi and Bluetooth in this device, it does not come with it integrated, but you can get the dongle, put it in this USB here, and then when you plug this back on, you don't see it at all. On this model that I'm holding right now, and also on the SFN, so the SFA and the SFN, we have the integrated NFC. This integrated NFC module can read MyFare, which means that this can also be used for POS systems for taking contactless payments, but can also be used for getting into rooms, access control, or other needs for NFC. So it's integrated, it works flawlessly and integrates seamlessly with any experience or any user case that you have in mind. With the SFA, we have here a cutout which is for the webcam. So this webcam is front-facing 5 megapixels. It has a non-glare coating, which is not present on the camera, so that the camera can have a clear visibility. We have also a motion radar sensor. So what we did here is, for sustainability reason, we know that these devices are meant to be powered on 24/7, but in offices environment or in industrial environments, sometimes at a certain hour, nobody's at the office or nobody's still working. So what you can do with these is you can program them to turn off at a specific hour, but now with the motion radar sensor, you can also program them to turn off when nobody's using it and then turn on automatically when it detects somebody in a specific vicinity. This is an RK3568 with an MPU. The MPU means that you can run AI processes in a much more efficient way. So we've already tested by running, for example, local AI on it with 1 billion parameter or 3 billion parameter, and you can local run it on this product while being powered to PoE. The MPU also allows you to run other tasks that are required to break down processes that are complex, which means that you optimize how the CPU works and how it interacts with the MPU. Therefore, your user experience and what you can do with it can be much more elevated and much smoother. This is the SFA. It comes in 4 variants again. You can check all of those out and their data sheets on prodvx.com.